Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan Crew Plus. Now the most notable features on this Crew Plus is its navigation system. You also have your DVD player along with your power liftgate. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan Crew Plus. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this Crew Plus is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lamps, and then if we take a closer look just over on the side here, you have your 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You also have your running boards. Taking a look up top, you have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. And I'm just going to quickly show you just what the second row looks like. So as you can see, you have your captain seats in your second row, and then if you take a look just at the very top there, you do have the DVD player just so you can keep the kids entertained just on those long trips. And then you also have the close button for the power sliding rear doors just located on the inside of the pillars here. Now the color we're going to be taking a look at today is white. And to start off with, we're going to be taking a look at your front dash as well as your front seats, just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. Now you have your black leather interior seat surfaces with your power driver seat with lumbar support. Taking a look just over on your left hand side, you have your light controls. On the inside of your driver's side door, you have your mirror controls, window locks, power locks. And taking a look just on the inside here, you are going to see a couple of different controls. So over on your left-hand side, you'll see your voice recognition with your Bluetooth scroll function and a couple of other additional features. Over on your right-hand side, you'll find your cruise control setting, and on the back of the steering wheel, you have your tune function as well as your volume control for your radio. Now, with the multi-informational display, you're going to see a couple of different options on here. So we'll just start up the vehicle here. So with the multi-informational display, as you can see, you have a digital compass as well as an exterior temperature gauge, but you can also go through and scroll through a couple of different options inside here with your vehicle speed, trip info, and a couple of other additional features inside here as well. Now taking a look at the center dash as well as the touch panel display, you're going to see a couple of different options on there, which include your AM, FM, as well as your satellite radio. Your navigation is just located in the top corner here. You have your USB and auxiliary input. Down below, you're going to see your temperature control settings for your dual zone climate control with your heated steering wheel, heated seat controls for your driver and passenger with two different settings depending on how hot you would like it. Your eco on, as well as your hazard lights, traction control on and off. And you'll find your two power outlets just located down below here as well. And now taking a look at the very top here, you're going to see your auto dimming rear view mirror, and a couple of the controls you'll see up top here include the open and close for the power sliding rear doors as well as your power liftgate. You have your integrated garage door opener controls, and I'm just going to throw this into reverse just so I can show you what the backup camera looks like. So as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there making things much easier for you when you're trying to back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located on the back of your tailgate, you'll find your backup camera just on your left-hand side and your rear hatch release located underneath your Dodge emblem. Now I'm just going to close in on the rear cargo space just so you have a much better idea of how much room there is. Now the nice thing is it's a 60-40 split for your third row, so in the event that you do need the additional space, it's available to you. Now as you can see on the back of the seats here, you have the labeled straps with the numbers on them, so if you just follow them in the exact order they go in, you'll be able to fold down the seats. So starting off with, you just pull on the number 1 and it will actually fold down the headrest. And then when you pull on the number 2, it'll fold down the seat for you. And then when you pull on the third one, it'll unlock it just so that you can fold the seat down into the floor for yourself, making things much easier for you if you need the additional cargo space. Now the other nice thing is that you can actually fold down those captain seats as well into the floor as well, just in case you do need a lot of cargo space just because you're moving a couple of things. And then when you're all finished up, just push on the button that's just located on the back of the tailgate here, or the cargo space I should say, and it will close for you automatically, making things much easier for you when you have your hands full of groceries or the kids' sports bags. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions on this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan Crew Plus, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. The phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.